There was a time when we used to use chalk slates to learn how to write. Well, now things have changed. Now we have writing pads or LCD writing boards. No more chalks and no more chalk dust flying all over. Hi YouTube, welcome back here, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video we're going to take a look at this simple 6.5-inch LCD writing board. These boards are a beautiful way for kids to learn to write while playing at the same time. Very easy to use. You don't have to buy any separate pen or eraser. Kids can write and erase as many times as necessary without worrying about sharpening a pencil or using an eraser, and you also save money from having to buy papers or books. Thus, it's environmental friendly and an excellent Christmas gift for all ages. They come in various sizes and can be used even by adults. The package includes one LCD board and one stylus pen. This writing pad is very light. It's not exactly a tablet that you might have thought of. It's made of plastic, very lightweight, just a couple of grams, and very slim. Comes with one stylus pen which you can use or replace with other similar pens. Using it is very simple. You can write basically anything. For example, and on top you can delete it. You can easily do some quick math. Teach your kids letter writing. When you use the pen, it will leave a light green color impression on the black screen. One of the good things about this writing pad and LCD screen is that they're made from durable plastic materials, so it's quite safe for kids to use. You can drop it and there won't be any damage to it. You can still write with no problem, so it's quite safe for school, house, office, and even use in the car. It's dust-free and inkless, no ink necessary for the stylus pen, thus the board is easy to clean or erase. Here at the back, there's an anti-erasing lock feature which ensures that everything written on the board is not exactly erased as long as it is locked. To unlock or lock, just slide the button to the left or to the right. Right now it's unlocked. So if I come here, I write down A, for example, I can erase it, no problem. But if we come here and slide it to unlock position, I come back here and I write A. I try to erase it, I won't be able to erase it. For me to erase this, come back here, unlock, go back here, and then erase. On top of the screen, there is a delete button. You can press to erase any content on the screen. Any content on the screen, come, press this and it will erase. This board uses a removable cell battery that uses power only when you use the delete button. This means that if you remove the battery, you can still write on the screen, but to erase, you will need to use the delete button, and it will only work when there is a battery inside. Also, since the delete function is the only thing that needs the battery can last up to 2 years. So how do you remove the battery? Battery compartment is screwed in. That's a relief for parents who have kids using this writing board, as the kids wouldn't be able to force out the battery, and so there is no danger of swallowing or anything of the sort. To remove battery, you just have to remove the screw. That's the first thing, the first step. The battery is embedded in the compartment on your right. We have the writing board. Without a battery, you can write, but you cannot delete. Checking out the battery, it uses a small CR1220 battery, so different compared to the CR2016 or 2032. So you replace the battery. You might want to use a tiny screwdriver to get it out, and that's it. It uses a small lithium battery, number 1220. After removing the battery, substitute it with a new battery, put it back in, use a small tube to fit it in the battery compartment on the left. Again, just make sure negative side faces up and positive side faces down. If not, it won't work. This is the way you put the battery. Negative side up, positive side down. So you slide this in. Now, when this goes in, right about this side, there's the battery slot. If it doesn't go in there, it's not gonna work. The battery is not gonna work. So, if we come back, we're right, we test, it's working. So make sure the battery is that way. If the battery is not that way, it's not going to work. Put back the screw and that's it. As per the riding experience, I think it's quite okay. Actually, I got this for my kids' learning experience and I don't think she minds at all about the experience. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about the 6.5 LCD writing board. There is no particular brand name. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon.